What if the reason your life feels stuck isn't because God forgot about you? You keep trying to do it your way. What if the breakthrough that you've been praying for is just on the other side of surrender? What's the first thing we do when we're going to drive somewhere we've never been? We put the address in the GPS because we want to get there on time with minimal stops. We'll put all our trust in a global positioning system, but we won't trust a God positioning system. But God redirects our path by telling us not to go out tonight. Don't take that job. Leave that person you're with. They're not the ones for you. But we get upset when his redirection doesn't match our plans. But Jeremiah 29:11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." So let's break that down. When it says, "I know the plans," that just means God sees what you can't. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you, means his direction isn't punishment, it's protection. Hope in a future just means that his destination is better than what you had in mind. So you tried your way, the career move, the relationship, the shortcut, and if you're being honest, it probably didn't work out the way you wanted it to. Sometimes God will let a road close because he knows there's a crash waiting down the street. So here's how to apply God's GPS in just 3 steps. Number 1 is to check your map first, which just means pray before any big decisions. Number 2, stop fighting the reroutes, which means when God redirects you, stop fighting him and trust him with all your heart. Number 3 is to stay patient in traffic, which just means a delay doesn't mean God's denied you. It just means he's preparing you. So remember, God's not trying to get you lost. He's just guiding you to your destiny. The GPS only works if you follow it. So the real question is, will you keep rerouting yourself or will you trust the one who wrote the map? If this message hit home, share it with somebody that feels stuck. And for more content like this, hit that subscribe button.